Sometimes deleting those photos from your Instagram grid is not what you want. Maybe you want to remove them for a while and then get them back in the position they were when you first posted them. Well, what if we tell you that you can hide the photos of your choice all while maintaining those likes? Here's how. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Choose the photo you want to hide and open it. Now tap the three dot icon on the top right and select Archive. This will remove the photo from the grid to which only you will have access to. Although notifications related to it will be removed and not even your friends will be able to search for it. Now don't worry, your photo is not deleted, it's just hidden. To get it back on your grid, go back to your profile page and select the clock icon on the top right. From the options on the top left, select Posts Archive. Then select your photo. Tap on the three dot icon on the top right and select Show on Profile. Now when you go back to your profile page, your photo should be exactly at the same place where you first posted it. And that's all for this video. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.